In 2025, artificial intelligence has hit a strict paradox. The capabilities of these models have reached historic highs, while the cost to use them has steadily plummeted. These falling prices have triggered a fierce geopolitical price war between the US and China, stretched global power grids to their maximum, and fractured international intellectual property laws. To survive these compounding pressures, enterprise leaders must immediately overhaul their infrastructure and security strategies. Software capabilities are now crossing major logic thresholds. Google's Gemini DeepThink recently utilized complex chain-of-thought reasoning to win a gold medal at the 2025 International Math Olympiad. This chart shows the stark divergence between software pricing and physical constraints. On the left, query costs for top-tier models have plummeted. Driven by consumer tools like Google's AI mode, query prices fell 280 times over 18 months, hitting just 7 cents per million tokens. Looking at the right side of the chart, the physical requirements are surging. Carbon emissions required to train the largest models jumped from 5,000 tons to nearly 9,000 tons for a single training run. The software itself has never been cheaper to operate, but the physical and environmental toll of creating it has never been higher. This dynamic has created a geopolitical price war. Chinese tech firms are aggressively flooding the enterprise market with highly capable open-weight models. Startups like Moonshot are distributing models with 2.8 trillion parameters, and giants like Alibaba are pushing out the 2.4 trillion parameter Qwen 3.8 Max. This graphic shows the resulting market target. While China's open-source status fluctuates, Alibaba closed its previous model but opened Qwen 3.8. The United States maintains strict proprietary borders. Anthropic recently restricted international access to its latest Fable 5 model entirely. To maintain dominance, the U.S. government introduced America's AI Action Plan in July 2025, aggressively cutting red tape and funding domestic chip production to insulate its closed ecosystems. Chief information officers are forced into a rigid trade-off: adopt cheap, highly capable open-source models from overseas, or pay a premium for secure, proprietary U.S. networks. Traditional centralized data hubs have reached their physical limits. Facilities in Ashburn, Virginia, which currently handle 70% of global web traffic, cannot scale their footprints to match the rising demand. This map illustrates the forced shift towards decentralized edge computing. To feed these distributed processing nodes, the industry requires vast baseline power, highlighted by Microsoft's deal to reopen the 3 Mile Island nuclear plant. These infrastructure demands are compounded by rigid legal boundaries. New frameworks like the Defiance Act, the Take It Down Act, and relentless copyright litigation act as hard limits on data collection. The era of frictionless software scaling is over. Advancing AI now relies entirely on overcoming physical energy limits and navigating these strict legal frameworks. For enterprise deployment, the ultra-cheap, massive Chinese models remain highly viable, but their use should be strictly confined to bounded, high-volume tasks like basic coding and translation. When handling sensitive enterprise data and core security workflows, U.S. proprietary models must serve as the absolute standard. True competitive advantage no longer relies on tracking AI parameter counts. It depends entirely on securing physical edge compute, tapping into nuclear-backed energy, and enforcing airtight IP compliance.